Hi friends, now I am going to make a never ending card for you in DIY. So for this card we need some papers. So I have used origami papers here, which are square in shape. You can use A4 sheet paper, you can use any kind of paper, even your school like notebook papers will work, but the dimensions should be equal, right? So it should be in square shape. So the dimension for this paper is 14 centimeter by 14 centimeter. So I have taken 4 sheets like this. I'll be taking 4 sheets like this, and all 4 sheets I am going to make it into half. So now I have made all the sheets into half, right? So now we have total 8 strips. Now with all the strips we have to follow same step. So first thing what we have to do is we'll be folding this into half. It has to be very neat when you are folding, and just press it with your nails or with your fingers, right? Now after making this into half, again these both the sides should meet in the center. So how you'll get to know the center point is, you first fold the paper like this, just join the edges and just make a small, just press it in the middle so that you may know the center point of this paper. Now I have marked it over here, and I will be folding both the sides till this mark. So like this, we are going to press it hard. You can see. So first this, and then like this we have to fold the papers, and this we are going to do with all of these. So now I have folded all the papers, first like this and then like this. So now I have 8 papers like these. Now you can just see it over here what I am going to do. Now I'll first place these 2 papers here, and can you see a square here, over here, over here? So I'm going to keep this paper like this. Now I'll be putting Fevicol on these 4 parts. I'm writing over here 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to place Fevicol over here on these 4 places. So let me first do this. Now, as you can see, I am putting Fevicol over here. I'll be taking other paper, which is the folded one. I'll place it nicely like this, and then I'm going to put the upper square over here on these, the pink ones. So I'll start with this. It should be very fine when you are sticking the papers, and the other one over here. Because once you'll stick, it is not going to come out. Right? So same thing we are going to repeat this side. we are going to stick this over here. With the help of the spoon, we press it nicely. Now you can see we have stuck this. From this side we are going to open it now. Any of the sides you can open the sheet now. We are going to just press it nicely. Now after folding this, we have to keep the paper like this. This thing should be in front of you. And now we have to put Fevicol over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we are going to place Fevicol over here, not on this part. So let's do it. We have to put this Fevicol very nicely, and be careful, you do not have to put this Fevicol randomly. You have to make sure you are spreading it nicely. Here, in this corner, again in this corner, this corner, over here, and here. Now as you can see, I have spread the Fevicol evenly. Now after spreading it evenly, we are again going to take these pink ones and we are going to just put it over here. We need to just make sure that edges are properly joined to each other. Like this. Now we'll again press it with the spoon. Now after this we are going to again fold it the back side. Now the last step is we are going to put Fevicol everywhere. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. But we have to make sure we are not putting it randomly, otherwise our page is going to stick. Right? So let me quickly put this Fevicol. So now as you can see, I have spread Fevicol everywhere. Now I am going to stick the last two sheets over here in the same way. We'll press it nicely on all the edges so that it may stick properly. Now our card is ready. So we are going to decorate it with a few hearts, and we can write something in it. So I am going to cut it quickly. We'll take like I have made one heart with a pencil. I'm going to take out its I have outlined the heart, and then I'm going to cut it with the scissor. And I'm going to write few messages, and I'm going to paste this heart, and our card will be ready. So now I'll cut this heart into half. Now I've pasted this heart like this, and I'm going to outline it, and I have written some message as well. So our card is ready. I have written, I love my mama, I love my papa, I love my family. So this is never going to end. Can you see? I hope you have liked this never ending card. Make it for your mama, papa, and give to them as a gift. Bye bye.